everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be making a wood serving board for my son. So come on with me, guys. Now I did decide to mix a couple of different items right here on the same board, and we're just trying to make it easy, guys. So whatever is your favorite item, just go ahead and place it and arrange it on the board exactly how you like. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Going Into Fall Wood Serving Collaboration. It is an open invite like all of my collaborations, and is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. So always remember that we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, I did want to use this time just the one board. It is early on in the day, but there were items that I didn't think went with the board, like the muffins and all of this fruit, and I love all of it. So I incorporated all on the board. Now, this is not including the burgers that my son is having on the side. So I just decided to go ahead and arrange all of our favorite things, mostly on the board except for those burgers. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be in and out of the video. Remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. right, so these are all the things that we're getting ready to devour, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead. We're getting ready to go on over to the reveal. I can't wait to dig in. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.